What up, y'all? Me and Jackie are back on the road. It was a wonderful Christmas in Oklahoma with my folks, and now we are chilling in White Sands National Park. You can't see it behind me, but I'll show you it soon. We're gonna go hike around. We just cooked our first meal in the van. It went excellent, but enough rambling. Let's get on the trail. Place is pretty incredible. You know, every national park has something so unique. That's why even if you're someone who's not crazy about outdoors, not crazy about nature, you usually can't go wrong with the national park. Obviously, as you guys know, or if you don't know, if you lived in the Midwest, we got enveloped by like a polar vortex, and it was about -30 when we drove through Kansas to get to Oklahoma where my folks are at. So we're enjoying the sun, we're enjoying the 60-degree weather, and of course we're enjoying the view. Well, we made it to the end of the dunes, aka the flats, and it lives up to its name. It is very flat, but such a spectacular place, so unique. You'll just never see, white sands in the middle of New Mexico, in the middle of the mountains like this, unless you come out here and check it out. So if you live in New Mexico or you're close, you gotta come see this. It's a must. We're gonna loop around and go back this way. We came about 3 miles in. We'll go about 3 miles out, and we'll finish the day with about 8 miles. But that's about all there is to hike in White Sands National Park. So we're gonna do a little sunset walk, and I'll definitely tune y'all in for that. Oh, good morning. Good morning, good morning. We're in Saguaro National Park, and we have checked off 2 in the last few days. We were into White Sands, now we're in Saguaro. It's a rainy day, and we're kind of testing all the elements of the van. I used the toilet today, which was very interesting, and we used the indoor stove. So it's been fun. This trip has really allowed us to test all the different elements of the van, get some hiking in all over the place. Surprisingly, Arizona is just really rainy right now. It's relaxing, it's peaceful, it's very nice, but the rain has just stopped, and I think we're gonna get a little hike around Saguaro. Maybe we'll go into Tucson later to hang out and chill. Don't know, but I'll see y'all on the trail. Good morning from outside of Petrified Forest National Park. This in front of me is actually a rock that used to be wood. So this place is going to be very interesting, but we're going to go hike around, see the painted desert, some of the iconic stuff associated with the park. Apparently if you take something from this park, you'll be cursed forever. So I'm not going to put that to the test. But last night, stars were crazy, got some really cool astro shots, and the drive was insane. Right when I got behind the wheel, immediate downpour, random shit in the road, fog everywhere, but we made it safe. And we are here now to see the wood that is now stone. So I still haven't thought of a van name. It's tough, you know, I'm not good at like this creative stuff. These gimmicks and things. But if you have an idea or a suggestion, leave it in the comment below. Be curious to know your thoughts on what you name your van. And I'll see y'all on the trail. We're gonna get out of here. Looks like it's about to start raining, so we want to beat that. But yeah, let's get out of here. So we just got done at the Petrified Forest. Really cool spot, very unique. Crazy to see all that history carved into the entire mesa and the Badlands, and to think that was a tropical forest with dinosaurs in the Jurassic period. But regardless, awesome place. We are headed back to Denver now, but we figured since Mesa Verde is on the way and we've never been, we'll stop there first, maybe even get Black Gunnison Canyon too, and that would be all the national parks in Colorado checked off of our list. You can see we've got our little list here behind us that we've got where we're accumulating all the ones we've done. So it would be cool to get 2 more on this trip we weren't expecting. So until then, I'll see y'all there. Well, we made it to Mesa Verde, and you can see that while we've been away, Colorado's been up to some snowy ass shit. Wow, I was not expecting this, but southern Colorado is known to get a lot of snow, and it's just completely white out up here. I'm actually a little nervous to drive down the hill that we came up last night. I'm gonna keep it in manual, driven on snowy roads before, but this is pretty crazy. We parked up here on this overlook last night, and I think we're just gonna bring it on back to Denver. It doesn't seem like the park would be very open and hikeable. I think it's actually closed down anyway, so we're gonna pass through Pagosa, do some other cool stuff, but it was a really fun trip. We got to use the van to its fullest and understand everything from cooking inside to even using the toilet on the go, which was always interesting. But as always, appreciate y'all watching. We'll be back in this thing pretty soon. I'll still be hiking, prepping for the PCT, and I think my next video I'm gonna make is how I'm gonna train for the PCT. So be ready for that, and I'll see y'all in the next one.